How are you, my friends? This is another algebra challenging question. Evaluate the expression. I know it looks ugly. Just take a minute, please, and relax. Minus 60 squared divided by 4 factorial minus 4 cubed divided by 1 minus 7 times 2 minus 4th root of 81 cubed, all divided by 6 plus 6 times 6 minus 6, all to the power minus 1. Now, before I start, for more algebra challenging questions, ACQ, you can see this playlist, please. Now, let's start the solution. I'll try to make it a little fast here. According to the order of operations, we can start inside the brackets. So I will go each number, the difficult numbers for sure. 4th root of 81 cubed will be 81 all to the power 3 over 4. And 81 is 3 to the power 4. So we can multiply here the powers. So it becomes 3 cubed, which is 27. So all this number is 27. This is a normal multiplication here. This is a normal multiplication. This is 4 cubed. 4 factorial, I think you know that. 4 factorial means 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. It will be 24, so this is 24. This is a little tricky. I will leave it on the next slide. Now we have minus 60 squared. Minus 60 squared, many people, they will put it plus because of the squared and the minus, and that's a little trick. This minus is not included in the base. The base here is only 60. So this one, it looks like minus 1 times 60 times 60. So the minus 1 is outside. This is if there is a bracket here, then it will be plus 3,600. So that will be minus here. The answer will be a minus. Now let's look at the denominator here. Consider the denominator. 6 plus 6 times 6, we have to multiply first. That will be 36. 6 plus 36 minus 36 will be only 36 to the power minus 1, which is 1 over 36. That will be in the denominator. Now we can simplify more. Minus 3,600. Here we have 24 minus 64 is minus 40. 1 minus 14 minus 27 will be minus 40. Now, we have to go from left to right. Remember, when we have divisions or divisions and multiplication, we start from left to right. So I have to divide this one first. Minus 3,600 divided by minus 40. Now this division, I can change it to multiplication and multiply by the reciprocal here, 1 over minus 40. So now this one times 1 and minus 40 times minus 40, and we have seen in the denominator 1 over 36. Now when we multiply in the numerator, we have minus 3,600 divided by 1,600. So when you simplify, cancel the 2 zeros here, divide by 4, you get minus 9 over 4. And then use this formula here. When you divide by 2 fractions, you leave the first one, multiply by the reciprocal of the second, times d over c. So this will be 36 over 1. Cancel by 4. So you get minus 9 times 9, and the final answer is minus 81. Now this is an extra question, please. Very similar. You can try it yourself if you like. For complete solution of this extra question, you can find it in the order of operations, part 1. This is the playlist here. And also, for more questions, there are many, many questions on the order of operations. You can visit the playlist Additional Algebra Solved Questions. There are part 1 and part 2. Part 1 has 3 questions, I think, and part 2 has maybe 10 questions. Or you can see the complete algebra course, the lecture number 1. I have also some examples there. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like the video, you can subscribe and share it with your friends. I hope I can see you in another video with another topic. Thank you for listening.